Hi. Welcome back to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, you will learn how to add subtitle to your video using Filmora 9. Let's getting started now. Here I am in Filmora 9 video editor with one video track and some example subtitle box I created. Let's delete all of them except the title. To add subtitle for your video with Filmora, simply go to Title tab. Click Subtitle. Here you can select any of these template for your title. Double-click on it to preview as usual. Now I will drag a template on top of the video track to use as my subtitle. Double-click to customize it. Now it is similar to how to add and customize text in Filmora. Type your subtitle here in this box. Customize your text here, use a preset if you want. You can also go to Advanced tab to get more control of the subtitle.
I'm falling, tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Once you're happy with your first subtitle, just copy and paste it on the timeline to create another one. That's how you can add subtitle to your video using Filmora 9. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.